Hi guys, welcome back. I don't really fuck with Christmas, so today we are doing a Grinch inspired look. Stay tuned. I'm starting off by adding some of the SEPHORA lineup makeup tape. Now I'm pressing in some of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm highlighting my brow bone with my MAC Single Shadow in NYLON. Today I'm using the MORPHE 35C palette. I'm picking up the lightest green with my MORPHE M514. And I'm going to be applying that to the crease and blending it up. Now I'm picking up the second darkest green with my MORPHE E17. I'm concentrating the darkest green closer to the crease and on the outer lid. And I'm using my MORPHE M507. I'm picking up the darkest black and I'm still using the MORPHE M507. And here I'm just adding some of the darkest green over the black. Now I'm cutting my crease with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my MORPHE M170.
Best describe you are as follows, and I quote, stink, stank, stunk.
Now I'm picking up the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and from that I'm picking up 24 karat. I'm using my NYX Dual Silicone Applicator. Now I'm mixing my Bisou glitter in the shade 23, along with my Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara. This is always my favorite part. Now I'm just cleaning up the fallout with some face cream and a Q-tip. Easy peasy. For the lower lash line, I'm picking up Man Eater with my Morphe E36. If you don't want to do your look this festive, you could definitely just add green to the bottom. Now I'm taking my MAC Single Shadow in NYLON again and highlighting my tear duct.
Ah, my public. How they love me. One lemon meringue pie. One lemon meringue pie coming up. Pick up pie. Roger. Your pie, sir.
So I went ahead and finished off my face, so now I'm going to go back to my eyes and I'm curling my lashes with my MAC eyelash curler. I'm tightlining my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby's Got Black. I'm adding a little bit of the LA Girl Glide gel liner to the lower lash line. Now I'm just adding some mascara to the lower lashes. Today I'm using my KTB lashes in the style Alessandra. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before you guys head out. See you guys next time.
I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch.